Quick Clean Service was founded back in 1984, all right, in a small town called Harbor Springs. And at that time, we serviced that particular area. Since then, we brought our business back here to Spring Lake area, the western Michigan, that's Ottawa County, Muskegon, and Kent counties that we serve. Our whole objective is to serve the residential communities in those areas, as well as the vacation, rental properties, condominiums, and such. In addition to that, our business does provide a lot more than just cleaning. We certainly can get into that here later. But that's where we established over 30 years ago. We're a family-owned business. We are our own separate entity, and we don't franchise out, nothing like that, but we are family-owned. We have a wonderful, great staff that we have, and we're very blessed to have those individuals, and they, in its own self, help us take care of the people that we need to serve and so on. We are a biblical company, so we are actively involved in any type of small community activities. We're a member of the Chamber of Commerce, so we get like to stay involved with that. Community-wise, I believe that we try to really stay involved in the community, serve the community that we're in. Well, the main thing for us is that anytime we have an opportunity to serve our clients or customers, we certainly want to make sure we satisfy them. More than likely, if we satisfy them, they will use us for residual business and provide us referrals, so we do get quite a few of those. So our whole thing is making sure that when we go into a location that we do the job right the first time, don't deviate from what the client wants us to do and accomplish, and our whole objective again is to make sure that when we leave the location that the client is happy and they are blessed that they used Quick Clean Services for their cleaning. Again, anytime we have an opportunity to serve any customer that comes to Quick Clean Services, we'll visit them firsthand. We would like to go out to the home or their property and take a look at what they have in mind, the project, so we can have things in complete detail. That way there's no misunderstanding of any kind, and that way we can get them a dollar amount right down to the penny. And then from there, if they schedule a cleaning with us, we'll bring our proper staffing in and do what's deemed necessary to get that property done and make sure they're satisfied with the work that they hired us for. But all clients that, again, that we see, we like to visit. A lot of the clients that we see might be the first time, so they haven't met us, and so we want to meet them and build that trust and honesty with the people that we have an opportunity to serve, and then tell them a little bit about Quick Clean Services and our existence and what we've been doing for the last 30 years, and that way they have a peace of mind that they're hiring a good outfit that can come in and do what they hired us to do, and obviously the money that they spend is well worth it. We believe that anytime we go into homes, we're not really sure what the environment's going to provide us, but we believe that we should always provide a safe environment for the people that we serve. So we are an eco-friendly company. We like to make our own cleaning products. That way we know that the homeowner is knowing that we make it, that we bring things in that are safe, not only for their family members, but for their pets as well. And that way we know that this client is not going to be attached to any type of harmful chemicals that they're not accustomed to. So that's just what we do, and it seems to be working for us, and not only that, for our staff. I mean, we don't want our staff to be subject to anything that's harmful as well. There's a lot of things out there that's probably all over the internet regarding harmful chemicals, and we just don't want to be part of that. So we believe in making our products, and those products are safe, they do the job, and we're satisfied with the outcome. being that Quick Clean Services in its existence, we want to obviously be sure everyone understands that we're a professional cleaning outfit. Our clients come from all different areas and directions. We are a member of the Home Advisor location. They do provide us a lot of good information, but more importantly, what they do is they're a company that actually screens companies out there that where homeowners are trying to look for someone, a contractor of some sort. They know that they can go to that site and feel that if they enter something, that they know that who's ever being provided for them for their services, that they've been screened and background checked and such. So we are part of that, and we're proud of it. Our reviews that we get from our clients are impeccable, and we like to maintain that as well. So reviews are important. And we're also a member of the Better Business Bureau, Western Michigan. Our rating is an A+, and we've had an A+ since 1984, never fell below an A+, and we want to maintain that as well. And I think when homeowners are out there looking for companies like us that's not familiar of what we are and what we do, they can feel comfortable in going to those localities to look at our reviews as well as our ratings. And we can be very proud of that, in which we are. Anytime we have an opportunity to provide a dollar amount in front of a customer, that they know that they're getting the value for their dollar. All right, what are they getting for their money that they provide? Everyone works hard, and I know money doesn't grow on trees, but the main thing for us is that we want to make sure we give you the value needed. More importantly is the professionalism that we bring into the home. Our staff is uniformed, background check. We certainly make sure that the people that we're bringing in are professionals as well. But the main thing for any homeowner that we serve from an affordable standpoint is that they know that when they hire us, that not only getting a good value, but at the end of the day, they feel that the price that they spent was well worth it. And you know, we make some other adjustments too. I mean, anytime that we serve a client at the end of the day, we're going to do a walkthrough with that client to make sure they're satisfied with the work that we perform. We do have forms that have to be completed by that homeowner to be sure they are satisfied. We call it a completion certificate. That way we know when we leave that client is signed off, they're happy. If there's anything that might be not right, we will fix it at that particular moment. So all of our clients will receive a completion certificate. What that entails is at the end, we like to do a walkthrough. Myself or one of our supervisors that are on staff will do that with the customer, and ensuring that client that once we leave that property, that everything that they obviously paid for is done correctly. If there's any concerns at that time, we can resolve at that moment before we leave that property. That gives, I believe, every homeowner a peace of mind, knowing that a homeowner or that a company like Quick Clean Services take a real big, not only pride in what we do, but that they know that we want to make sure that that homeowner knows that that company is saying, hey, they really care about our home, and they really want to make sure that they're satisfied. And we take we take that really seriously, so we feel very comfortable with that. And so yeah, that's what we do, and we don't want to have to come back if deemed necessary, but we will. But we certainly don't make any money on service calls. So, but the main thing is that walkthrough is very important. Every homeowners that we have served since the time we've been in business, they really like that and can respect that. So yeah, we'll continue to do that. Well, in addition to the cleaning that we offer to the homeowner, the secondary things that we do offer, we do carpet cleaning. We do offer furnace and vent cleanings. We do offer windows, interior, exterior cleanings. Includes your doors and such. I also do air purification cleaning, so if someone has an odor in the house, we can definitely provide getting that odor out of that home. In addition, power washing if deemed necessary that we do. We also do boat reconditioning. What does that entail? Well, if someone has a beautiful boat and they use it all summer long, or if they have guests that they want to entertain and the boat is somewhat not in very good shape, they call us and we'll go in there and we'll clean the interior of the boat just like you would see a home being cleaned. And for the exterior, we'll actually clean that, either power wash it, making sure that we can get all the algae off. Anything that doesn't look very desirable, we can get clean. So we do boat reconditioning, quite a few of those as well. What happens a lot with the furnace and vent cleaning is that it's kind of like an attic. All right, most people don't visit their attics and you know what's up there and what can be disturbed. All right, I mean we live in Michigan. All right, certainly we use those units, both heating and cooling year-round, and we use them quite significantly. But what happens a lot that most people aren't aware of, that those vents get clogged up with dust or dust mites and just unnecessary things that most people are not used to seeing. So we like to get all that information or that stuff out of there, and then clean the furnace thoroughly, and making sure that those units are not only free of debris, but they're running efficiently and effectively. Saves you money in addition to that, because that lowers the cost or the wear and tear on those units. But we do quite a few of those as well, and it seems to the people that the customers that we served really appreciate that, and we'll continue to do that. So yeah, it's a sore thing that's missed, but definitely needed. A lot of times too, this is unexpected at times, where we just get a phone call that someone has something that needs to be done right away. We do offer an emergency services. I mean, you can call it an emergency services, all right, or it could be something else. But if you need something done right away, obviously give our office a call. All right, we certainly have a website that you can go to, which is quickcleanservices.net. Everything's on there, really available for you to enter what needs to be entered. Or just, again, call the office. Our business hours are Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 p.m. We do, for some reason, get calls after business hours. There's sometimes that we'll answer the phone and try to get to you as soon as possible. Just leave a message and we certainly will return your call as promptly as possible. But the main thing with that is that if there is an emergency, obviously give us a call and we'll try to get a team of staff out there to meet your needs. That does happen on occasion, but it is available for homeowners to take advantage of with our emergency service program that we do offer. Other than the standard housekeeping, residential properties, it's condominiums, vacation properties, cabins. These are our rental properties. Post-construction cleanups. A lot of homeowners are doing a lot of remodeling, or they just build a house, and then they will give us a call and they want us to clean these things up. Which we definitely offer. In addition, move-in, move-outs, we definitely offer cleaning for those homeowners as well. Anyone or someone that really wants to have a career opportunity with Quick Clean Services, we certainly would love to have you take the opportunity to take a look at us and see what we're all about. We certainly have applications for you to fill out online through our website. Feel free to fill those things out and send it our way so we can take a look at you. We certainly want inspired people, people that are dedicated to the cleaning industry and that loves to clean. Even if you don't have experience, feel free. We'll definitely train you. We do have our staff that will help you do so. And then again, we have some exciting things that we give or provide for our members, our team members. Yeah, we have programs. After you meet the qualifications, we have bonus programs that we do offer, yearly bonuses. We do offer vacation pays, things in nature. Whereas if you're sick, we do offer things like that. But the main thing is that when someone comes on board, we want to make sure that we're able to take care of yourself and your families. That's one thing that we take very, very much pride in, that you know that when you come to work every day that money is one thing, but the most important thing is that you really love who you work for. And we want to make sure that you have that type of atmosphere and condition. So when you go home and you speak to your loved ones or spouses, that you know that, hey, this is a great place to work. And we're got an open door policy. We certainly love to chat. All ideas are great. So again, if you have experience out there and you feel that you need a change, give us a try. I think you'll be not only satisfied with your decision, but the things that we do offer that would help take care of, again, yourself and your families. So.